All right, guys, we got Nick B at the top and Nick B at the bottom for his last two slots. We're just gonna hit it one time, guys. All right, we got Quinn B at the top and Jesse M at the bottom. Nice. Well, you'll see your first one here. Let's get these types typed in here. You guys know that I love typing these in after the fact. Got grass. Fire. Water, electric, psychic. Oh, that didn't type in, did it?
Oh, Chase Young, bum recovery. Jesus.
Water. Water. Electric. Psychic. We've got fighting dark metal. And we got fairy, dragon, colorless. You guys give me 1 second. I will post a link to everything that can be found in this this box. This one is full. But if you do exclamation shop in the chat, it will be there. What did I forget? Trainer. All right, let me make sure I got 12 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right, we got 12 there. Perfect. Oh, there we go. Bucks Life coming in clutch with the list. All right, guys, we got grass at the top and trainer at the bottom. We are going to hit this randomizer one time, just like we did for the trainer names. Colorless at the top, fire at the bottom. All right, everybody. One second, let me copy that over to my orders sheet. Now we're gonna start ripping. I got out of my order sheet. You guys tricked me. I didn't think we were gonna sell out any other breaks, but we sure did.
Hey, what's up? This is Social House. All of us can prevent the spread of coronavirus. If you're sick, take these actions. Stay home. Separate yourself from the people in your home. Call your doctor's office before you visit. Wear a face mask. And cover your
All right, that's moved over.
the coronavirus by donating now at Give4.
What's the best card you can pull out of this?
Number 4, CDCF.
There's a Moltres, Zapdos Articuno tag team card. So that's really cool, and that's colorless. So colorless is a definitely, I think, a good one to have in this one. That's an ultra rare. What else is in here, Ben?
Charizard and Reshiram.
There's a bunch of golds. There's like, I think 7 golds in this as well. All right, let's get these open. Yeah, there's a Lucario and Melmetal. There's an EVGX. That's Rainbow. Yeah, any of the gold cards. Oh, I can't get this open. There we go. There's a Togepi, Cleffa, and Igglypuff GX. That's dope. Yes, there is dragon type in this set. There are not a ton. But there's the Lucario and the Melmetal gold. There are some, I think, of the trainers are crazy. There is. I'd have to go through. No, there's this one alone. Let's see. I don't have. There's this. There's Giratina. Yep. There's some in there. There's obviously not as much as there is with some of the other cards. But I know there's some in there. Yeah, I mean, this is kind of a bigger set for them not being so many, but if you do get one, they're big. And I typically I don't let anybody really go hitless. I will send you something. So you'll get something with some shiny on it. I'll try and hook everybody up. All right, guys, we got 10 packs here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Cool. Let's get this party started. Oh, I gotta figure out how many to put to the back, or if any. I don't know if we have to do any for this.
Pretty sure you don't have to do any.
Like the shiny Star V.
Pretty sure.
Yeah. All right, good luck, everybody. That's a sick Jolteon. I've never opened these cards before, guys, so this will be my first time seeing these as well. All right, here come the hits. Fire. Jesse M with the first hit. Dark with a hit. Fairy with a hit. Is that a Alolan Ninetales? That's what it looks like, right? And a Electric Energy. And a reverse on a Psychic there.
All right.
Got what? 62 points? That's crazy. Our first hit is the Alolan Ninetales. Get a lot of these sleeved up for everybody. Do the big ones now so we can get them up on the shelf, but all right, come on. Skitty. Lots of trainer base. Fighting on the board. Is that an Articuno? What it looks like to me. Water on the board. Boom. Steel on the board. Tag team Lucario. I see a Lucario in there. Leaf Energy. And boom. Full Art Eevee for colorless GX.
Wow.
That's a special card. The art on that one. Thrashing, we probably aren't going to do Darkness Ablaze tonight. just because it's getting late and we are breaking this one. That's the secret rare of the box. Is the Eevee, Hungry Bobby. So colorless hitting on the secret. Thrashing it should be tomorrow night, as long as I go live. I'll let everybody know. I'll let everybody know. I'll let Discord know. I'll let it. Should be. I just have to talk it over with the boss, you know? That's a funny card. Alright. There is a Psychic Giratina. Grass is on the board now. Fighting with another hollow and a reverse. Yeah, that is a sick Jirachi. Where'd it go? Yeah. Like in the, almost like on the moon, looks like. But that is the moon. She's in space. Cool. Look at all these sleeves, guys. Afterwards, don't want to slow it down. Did you get a couple of those Jirachi promos from the Walmart boxes, Thrashing? The Jirachi boxes? Grass on the board.
Thick. Oh yeah.
Metal again, and boom. Mewtwo and Mew tag team. That is a dope card. Psychic hitting again. Fairy Energy. A Squirtle. So as you guys can see, the theme of this deck is obviously tag team. Which is why there's multiple Pokemon on cards. Yeah, it's tough to find cards anywhere right now. Like you said. They're bought out everywhere. Alright. Good. We gotta get Trainer on the board. Gotta get Dragon on the board. There's the Squirtle again. Nice, Dainty, nice. Alright, Dark. Another hit. Colorless. And boom. There's a big tag team. With everybody's three favorite birds. Colorless hitting big time. Yep. Oh, we've hit some cool ones already. Yeah, that is a very nice colorless card there. That's the one I would want from the set for sure. At least one of them. Meow. Look at the little Alolan Vulpix, bro. Playing in the snow. Water on my hands. The Alolan Diglett too. Little blonde hairs. Little tag team trainer there. See Misty. Twerking. Dark. Another Mewtwo. A cool Mewtwo. And tag team is going to be fighting. And a trainer reverse hollow. All right, tag teams are getting spread out. Gypsoko, what's going on? Let me know if you have any questions. All right, guys, we got 1, 2, 3, 4 packs left. Paris. Rylu. Is that a Rylu? Isn't that who that is?
No.
Oh, Rylu's who goes into Lucario. Duh. Zapdos. It's a cool Zapdos card. Tag team for Dark. Is that a Frogadier? Is that who that is on the left hand side?
Does every pack have a tag team in it?
I don't know. It seems like it. Or we've gotten close to it. Yeah. Oh, look at that. The Doug Trio. If it doesn't, if you're not guaranteed a tag team card in every pack, we're hitting very hard. But I think it seems like you are. That Zapdos is cool. Art's dope on that.
This is important. I don't know if you've heard, but Georgia is having a special election Tuesday, January 5th.
More ads.
Are up for grabs.
Grass.
Will have control of the Senate. So yeah, it's kind of a big deal. Make a plan to vote today. Go to peoplespowergrab.org and get into it.
Psychic with another hollow. Electric with another hollow. Grass with the tag team. Visions, thank you for the follow.
Formula, diapers, and pet brands, all at up to 60% off other retailers' prices.
There it is. Alright.
Confidently.
Cool card, cool card. Fire. And a trainer.
You need it, we have it. Visit Burlington.com.
Alright guys, we got two more. Let's get something. That Mew and that Mewtwo card is really cool. Uh-oh. There it goes. Let's get to the hits. Mew. Hollow. Wow, colorless. There it is, the Charizard. Tag team. Fire coming through. Look out. We stay pulling Zards. Broken, I think that's you on fire, isn't it? LPMs, guys. Last pack. Magic. Water. Another dark hitting big. Psychic with the tag team here. Again, Psychic hitting big. And a trainer. That is gonna do it for the tag team All-Star Japanese booster box. Alright, guys. We can go through all these again. I'm going to get them sleeved as we do it. How about that? Trainer. I'll burn through some sleeves here. Have to order some more. Can't imagine I'm out. I could be. Anything shiny is gonna get a What'd you guys think? What do you guys think of this product? Would you guys want to do a another box of this? I can definitely get more of these. Or I can get more. I can get more Shiny Star V. The price of that's slowly creeping up. I think. Yeah, we did. We got some solid hits. Yeah, we did a Shiny Star V a couple weeks ago. Sold out really fast. This top loader, what's going on there? Skip over that one. Put the Mew in one. One loves Mew. Yeah, the Japanese packs are a little bit harder to get, but yeah, I mean they're solid. They're definitely solid. You I mean you only get 10 packs, but the packs are loaded. Yeah, I think we're definitely gonna do a Vivid Voltage booster. I'm gonna look tonight to see what I can get one for. Might have to go hit up a local card shop tomorrow and see what I can find. Just so we can go live tomorrow night and break. Oh, this set was loaded. We got Mewtwo's, we got Mews, we got Zapdos. Got Articunos. Like, look at that Mewtwo. A clinging card. We've already pulled some Pikachus from Vivid Voltage on this channel. I think I've pulled 3. I haven't pulled the big one though. I haven't pulled the rainbow. Just the other one. Good amount of top loaders. Let's find some more. Got more somewhere. The Jirachi from Vivid. Alright, Ben.
See ya.
Alright, I'll go through the rest of these guys and I'll sleeve them after. Is there some of the shiny hits with the full art on the grass there? Get some sleeves for the rest of these. Go over the big dogs here. Some of the tag teams we got. Machop or Machamp, one of the two, I can't tell. Mewtwo. I think that's I can't even tell who's in that one either. I see the Lucario in that one. The Zapdos. The Zard. The EV Secret. A Mew Hollow. Everyone's favorite birds. Legendaries. Hollow and Ninetales. Energy. These are really cool. And this is a last but not least, the Mew and the Mewtwo. Gonna round us off. Alright guys.